Hi, hello, welcome back to another video. It's been a hot minute, but I did try to film something, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, so I just took a longer break that I really planned on. But for this video, I'm gonna paint on this bucket hat. So I have these textile paints, and I'm gonna use them for this. Maybe not all the colors, but I'm not sure. So I tried to paint, you can't really see, a little flower, but maybe I want a bigger flowers all over the hat, but I'll see. So I washed it, so it's a bit tighter. So it's an old school, really old bucket hat, and I will try to paint on it, so we'll see how that will go. But maybe I will do just some lines or abstract shapes if flowers don't turn out okay, so we'll see. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm using these paints that I already have. I don't know, maybe I will use all of them. I don't know, I'm not sure. And these are the brushes that I'll be using. A round brush and two flat brushes. So I did paint one flower. This was just a test. I want to do bigger flowers if I can, but I'm not sure how hard it will be to paint on this. Maybe, I don't know, what's the best way to paint on this? Maybe like this, I'm not sure. So yeah, maybe I should just do pink flowers all over. I don't know, maybe, or pink and yellow. How will I paint this? I have no idea. Oh my god, okay. Hi, so this is voiceover me. Anyway, I just wanted to say that I'll be back with posting, and I wanted to explain a bit why I was away for this long. So first, I was doing a bigger commission, so I was doing illustrations for a pregnancy book. I will share with you more when the book arrives. So yeah, basically I've just did the baby development illustrations and some labor positions. It was really fun and challenging. So yeah, and for this video I just wanted to do something simple, so I did painting on a bucket hat. Was a great idea, and it was pretty simple. I mean, the flowers are really simple to paint, but I thought that it would be a bit difficult because it is an uneven surface, but it was actually really easy to paint on the hat. So you will see later in the video how I hold it, and I'm really happy how it turned out. So I used all the colors, as you can see. And I think it looks cute and colorful. But yeah, so I did try to film before this, but I just didn't like how the videos turned out, so I did try to film 2 times how I use my sketchbook every day for a week, because I really think that's a fun idea and a great way to fill a sketchbook. But I don't know, I just didn't like it that much that I want to post it. I mean, it's okay, the illustrations and paintings are fine, some better than others, but I just didn't like the video as a complete video. I don't know, I just didn't like it that much. So yeah, and now it's so many months have passed and I didn't post a video, so here I am again. So painting a bucket hat. I hope you like this, and this is not too boring, please like and subscribe if you do. So I'll be filming more videos now again. So I'm done with all the commissions, at least the bigger ones. So yeah. That's it. I'm sorry, I'm not the best with talking, so enjoy the video and please give it a like and subscribe if you like it, and that's it. Alright, now I'm thinking of adding petals with the blue, but not on every flower, I think. So, why is it so bright? I'm really happy with this. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!